In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect your OBS Studio with your Twitch account so that you can start to stream on your Twitch using your OBS. So first of all, go to your browser and go to your Twitch account and sign into your account. Once you successfully signed in, click on your profile photo and click on Create a Dashboard, and here select Stream Manager. And here is your stream preview, and currently you are in your Stream Manager dashboard. Here click on Settings and click on Stream, and here you get your stream key. Copy your stream key, then go back to Stream Manager. Now launch your OBS Studio and add your scene. Under the scene, go ahead and add your sources. And now click on Settings, select Stream, click on the Service drop down and select Twitch. Or you can click on Show All, and from this list you have to select Twitch. And here you get two different options to connect your OBS with your Steam. One is Connect Account. In this case, you have to enter here your Twitch login credential and then just click on Login to connect. Or you can just use Stream Key. So click on Use Stream Key, and in this box paste your Twitch stream key that you just copied from your Twitch. Once you successfully add date, click on Apply and OK. And you have successfully connected your OBS Studio with your Twitch. Now to go live or start streaming to your Twitch from OBS, just click on Start Streaming. Once the streaming successfully started, go to your Twitch, go to Stream Manager, and here as you can see, my OBS all sources now streaming on my Twitch. And that's how we can do it.